Hey guys, welcome back to the video. I hope you all are doing great. And in today's video, as the title says, Introduction to PyQt, or you can also call it Introduction to GUI also. Now in today's video, it's going to be a theory video. There's not much of any practical or anything to be done. But the next part of this video, that's basically going to be the installation and stuff. You might have to do it practically and all that stuff. So today's video is just theory, guys. Not much of any involvement of installation or anything else. Just theory on how GUI works, what is GUI, what is PyQt, the tools, Qt Designer, and many more. So yeah, without wasting more time, let's get straight into the video, guys. So guys, now let's see what is the agenda for the introduction of GUI and PyQt. So today we are going to learn what is PyQt, what is the need of PyQt, and where are we going to use this. So let's start with what is PyQt. So PyQt is a toolkit to create GUI or GI. And now talking about what is GUI. GUI is basically a graphical interface used to make program or code interactive and user friendly. So for the best and the simple example I can give you is the movie of Iron Man, where you can see in Iron Man 2 and Iron Man 3, where Tony will be sitting in front of interface of Jarvis. So that's basically what a graphical interface is. Or the best and the simple example which I can give you, another one, is an app. Now when you open an app, you see there's the interface, the graphical interface. You don't see the program. So that's basically what GI is or GUI is. So now let's talk about what is the need of PyQt or GUI. So we can make our program interactive, user friendly, where the program is running in the back end and the GUI is running in the front end. And that's what basically is showed in Iron Man 2, Iron Man 3 in the movie, where basically Jarvis interface is basically in the front and the back end is basically the code which is running, right? And even in apps also you can see that there's the back end is basically the code running and the front end is basically just the icon, image, all that stuff. And now talking about where are we going to use PyQt or GUI, and where are we going to use it. So we are going to be using this in our advanced virtual assistant series or advanced virtual assistant, or even in our virtual assistant also. So this is very important, guys. This GUI, this PyQt is important, and we are going to do much more things in this PyQt and GUI. We may do it connecting it to OpenCV. We'll bring something with that, and also we are going to have many projects that are going to be related to the GUI graphical interface too. So that's why PyQt or GUI is important. Not just in virtual assistant and just for OpenCV. You can do it for many other things. I'll be bringing a video on how to make the GUI or the graphical interface, where you'll get to know from the basics to the advanced. You can make many more projects, put it in your portfolio, and make your portfolio or projects or anything else interactive. So that's it for today's video. As I told you in the beginning, it's just going to be a theory video. There's not much of any practical or installation to be done. The next video, that's going to be the part 2 of this, is going to be the video on how to install PyQt tools, and also the Qt Designer. And I might also show you just the introduction of how we are going to use the Qt Designer also. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you like this video if you understood it, if this video was interesting and you got your information. And do consider subscribing my channel. The people who have already subscribed, thank you. Stay tuned for the next video. So till then, guys, happy coding and peace out.